This elegant multifunction tabletop unit features 5 functions available in one machine: vacuum, spray, high frequency, brush, and galvanic. The vacuum function removes any surface debris and aids in the cleansing process. The sprayer allows you to lightly shower the skin with your favorite revitalizing toner or mist. The high-frequency therapy includes 1 handle and 3 electrodes. The ultrasonic function comes with 2 handles, a small handle for the face and a regular handle for the face. The digital display allows easy control of timer, intensity, and other functions. Weighing only 14.5 pounds, the unit comes with a 1-year warranty.